In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the command line program that we use to perform various tasks in test data management. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure to run ilmcmd and what are all the tasks that we can perform using this. ilmcmd is a command line program that you use to perform various tasks in TDM. With this command, you can import XML files into the ILM workbench. You can export data masking components. And you can search for data subset and masking objects. You can validate policies and plans. You can delete data subset and masking components, and you can even generate and run workflows. In order to configure this, you need to go to Utilities, ilmcli folder, under which you will find the conf folder. Inside it you will find the user config.ilm. So in this file, you need to set up the username and password that you use to log into TDM workbench and the security domain and the TDM host name and port. In case you have set up the HTTPS option for TDM, then you can set it to true. Also, make sure you have set the Java home environment variable in order to run this ilmcmd command. So in order to configure, you need to update this user config.ilm file, and also you need to update the Java home and path environment variable. I'm going to show you some sample commands that we can run. So the first thing is that the ilmcmd -h, this is going to show you the various parameters that can be used with this ilmcmd command. I ran this ilmcmd -h option, and it is showing the various options that we can use using the command. I'm going to show you how to search for a rule or any component within TDM. So for searching for a rule, you need to first provide the object type. So the rule, it's going to be the rule, and also the name that we are going to search for. So this -np option is a pattern that we are going to use for searching the rule that starts with rule first. I executed this command to search for rule that starts with rule first, and it returned with this rules in the TDM repository. The next command I'm going to show you is that for exporting a rule. For exporting a rule, we need to specify the type. Now we are going to search for the rule. So the -ot is going to tell you what type are you going to search for. So I'm going to search the rule, and we need to provide the name that we are going to export, and the location and name of the file where we are going to export. So I executed this command to export the rule with the name rule credit card, and it exported it. I didn't specify the location, so it exported it in the same directory where we executed this command. So you could see the rule underscore credit.xml. We can even delete a rule or component using this command line. You can use the -d option for deleting any object. So in this case I'm using the -d option, and the rule is going to be the type and the name of the rule that I'm going to delete. So with this command we can delete the rule from command line. I'm going to show you how to run a plan using the command line. So the options that you are going to provide are the project name and the plan name and the integration service name on which this workflow is going to run. So I executed this command to run the plan underscore flyers plan from the project TDM underscore demo, and I'm going to use this integration service. It has returned the job ID. I'm going to go and check the status from the workbench. If you see the status over here in the ILM workbench, it says that it is running. So, and it got succeeded. So these are all the tasks that we can perform in command line. So in this video I showed you how to configure to run the command line ilmcmd and the various tasks that we can perform, like searching for a particular component, exporting a rule, deleting a rule, and running a plan. Thanks for watching this video.